All right, C3 Corvette time here. 1979 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. Classic white over oyster interior. Particular car started out life as an L82 option car. Since has had a crate 350 installed in 2005. 330 horsepower crate 350. Condition of this car, I would call it a nice driver quality paint. Can you maybe find some little tiny, where'd they go? Let me see what I can find up here. Some real small, I won't be able to get them to show up in the pictures, but there's some real small touch up. There you can see one, just where you've had a little bit of rock chips, but overall, nice paint on it again, considering age of the vehicle. Now, along with that crate 350, we have an automatic transmission, power steering, power brake, AC equipped car. The AC, I did have the compressor turning on and off. I think it may need to be recharged. Blows cool, but not real cold. So, and there's also adapters to switch it over to the 134. Those are in the glove box. Speaking of glove box, there is the original owner's manual and window sticker with this car that'll be in the glove box and shipped on to the next owner with the car. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see that window sticker, check out the underside of this car, interior, engine bay. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website where you can see the pictures. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. One of the options on this car was the polished wheels. I'll kind of run down some of the options that were on the window sticker. You had the glass T-top panels, so you do have the glass panels. You got rear defrost, AC and cruise, tilt, telescopic wheel. This one does have the AM, FM, and CB in it. It still has the original stereo. That would have came with a power antenna. This still has a power antenna, as you can see over here. Here is the owner's manual. They dug out the window sticker. Owner's manual is all here. And again, that will be in the glove box and shipped on to the next owner. Again, power antenna with that CB, AM, FM stereo radio. Power windows and locks. Dual rear speakers. And again, those polished wheels. It's a nicely equipped car. Now, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you in getting this car to where you're located at. And it may be eligible for an extended service contract. So feel free to inquire with your sales associate when you call in or email. Also has the privacy curtain, if you will. It rolls back and forth. I have pictures of that both ways. The T-tops, I have them in the protective bags. And those will be set in the back of the car, and this car will then be stored in our indoor showroom. If you'd like to come and see it, or if you're too far away, like I said, just give us a buzz, shoot us an email. And again, uniqueclassiccars.com is where you can see the still pictures of this at. Down below the video here. In the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. At 507-386-1726 is our phone number if you'd like to give a call. I would say that the rear fascias, there has been some paint work done on this. Last time that rear fascia fades and is repainted, so I'm not going to claim this car is all original paint, but it is the original color, classic white over oyster. And again, I would call it a nice driver quality paint. All right, some of the things that have been done to this as far as according to the previous owner: newer tires and battery, rebuilt power steering pump and valve, fresh oil change was just done. And again, those AC adapters that'll switch it to 134 are in the glove box. As well as when I ship the car to the new owner, we'll have the original owner's manual and original window sticker in there also. All right, now as you can see, original door panels, oyster in color, seats in nice shape on this car. Let's go ahead and fire this up. I want you to be able to hear it. Again, Crate 350 installed in 2005. Good sounding engine. See how easily it starts. Odometer, or excuse me, tachometer works. Odometer reads 40,558. I can't confirm or deny his original miles since it does not stay on the title. Once they get to be so old, miles are exempt. I can tell you his car is in nice shape. Here's the gauges, all working with the exception of the clock, as we see quite often in these. And again, that AC compressor is turning on and off. The air does blow cool, but not real cold. All right, put that off to high idle. Around to the back. Nice little rumble coming out of that 350. Sounds good. A little higher horsepower engine this car would have came with too. So never can complain about that. Alright, let me pause this a second. I'll pop that hood and let's check out the engine bay. Alright, there we go. Hood popped. Crate 350. Power steering, power brakes, AC. So we got some aluminum dress up on there with the valve covers, air cleaner cover. Pretty nice looking engine bay. Smooth running 350. We got ACI ignition out of there. Good running car. So there you go. You're looking for a nice C3 Corvette Coupe that won't break the bank. Here it is, 1979 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website and the listing. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you in getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.